Petrol station. Yo.
You just get pissed because you stopped in traffic and I'm moving. You are an idiot. Fucking cunt. You are pissed just because you are... Why? So I can break in half.
Break me?
Yeah, yeah.
Smash him straight all
Fucking idiot.
You stupid!
Oh.
The other guy in front of you was about to go and I thought you were going.
Yeah, you need to take it easy with the bikes because we're like very vulnerable and stuff.
I know, and I'm a cyclist myself, so I know.
Yeah, I know, but
I'm really sorry.
I know, but it's just hopefully he's alright. If have you got a license? Do you wanna like take some pictures first? You've taken pictures, yeah? I'm just saying, do you wanna like move out the way in case there's like problems and stuff? Yeah. I'm just thinking, where do you guys want to go? Like, where do you guys want to move the bike and stuff? You just want to put it in there, yeah? Okay.
Bike over there, man. Driving up?
I don't know. Get into there.
What are you doing?
Get into there. Petrol station! Yo, petrol station! Oi! Don't do that, it's petrol station! Damn, we got some drama. Yo, calm down, just calm down.
Car like that. Look what you've done.
You should... You were...
Car like that.
No, I was telling him to calm down. Look, just go to that petrol station and just pull it. I didn't do nothing. Listen, just go to the petrol station. Go to the petrol station. Oi, petrol station. getting ugly, man. It's gonna get real ugly. Whoop. Calm down. Calm down, bro. Alright, calm down. I know. I saw it.
Stop, she tried to drive off.
I haven't done anything.
No, she's in the wrong.
I know, let me. No, I understand. Look, I just pulled up. Look, I'm just, look.
Look, how did this happen?
I know.
How did this happen?
I'm not with them. I'm just here to make sure everything's cool. But you drove off. That's, they're just.
I didn't do anything.
You hit them.
I didn't. He was right in front of me. Why pull up like that? It's so dangerously in front.
So what happened at the traffic light?
That's what I'm saying.
You ran over him and then you said sorry, you got in your car and you drove off.
Were you already in front of her?
Yeah. He was at the traffic lights and you said pull over.
Yeah.
She said sorry and she tried to drive off.
How has this happened?
Well, they thought you were going to drive off. And you were in the third lane, you weren't going to pull over. But what I'm trying to figure out is...
You're saying you're worried about your mirror, you've run over his foot.
Look what's happened.
Were you guys turning right at that traffic light? You going straight?
Straight in between.
And you weren't filtering?
No, two bikes.
Okay. Okay.
Bikes.
Okay.
Look at the way they're driving though, this is really
You
bad.
run over foot.
I didn't see how they were driving before that. I didn't see how they were driving before that. But the thing is, you did hit them. You did hit them.
I don't like this at all.
Listen, I know.
I don't like this.
I know, but I'm trying to be calm and everything with you. But the thing is, you did hit them off.
Anything.
But you did hit them off the bike.
I hit them off the bike. What are you talking about?
Up. Look.
I hit them off the bike. What are you talking about?
I hit them off the bike. What are you talking about?
Didn't you hit them off the bike?
Of course I didn't hit him off the bike. He got off his bike.
Okay. What happened? Did what, the car hit you?
She ran into my foot. Don't go. Alright, I'm calling the police.
I don't know.
I'm calling the police, yeah? You hit his foot.
Yeah.
He went, sorry, like she's going to drive off. I took a picture.
Yeah.
I'm taking the picture, she's trying to drive off.
Yeah, but you...
In front of her,
Yeah.
trying to go in front.
I haven't got a reverse gear. I can't reverse. I can't reverse. I haven't got reverse gear. If you turn to the left, I can get through. No. Just go to the left, I can get through. Fold your mirror in. Well, I could get through this. Oh, for fuck's sake. Fuck you! Oj! Putain! You see me behind? Excuse me? Gangsta, yeah?
Go fuck yourself. They do it.
Gangsta, yeah? Excuse me? Excuse me?
I said, why don't you wait till you pass your test?
Oh, you behind me, you reverse on me. You waste of time.